like a giant hot pocket. Got a low carb, high protein pizza roll coming up. Let's go. All right, so first what I'm gonna do, I measured out 5 ounces of 96 lean beef. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook that, and then I'm gonna add the pizza sauce to it. So I'm gonna do 1/4 cup. Make sure you measure it out. 1/4 cup of pizza sauce. And then this is the secret, right? Let me get close. I'll show you the secret. Bam! That's it. It's the Flavor God pizza seasoning. You gotta have this. Well, you don't have to have it, but it's good to have. It smells like pizza right there. So sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Meat cooked real quick. Should be done in no time. All right. I also measured out 1 serving of HEB pizza cheese. Okay. And then we're gonna use a 0 net carb tortilla. All right, so 1 tortilla, 60 calories. This joker has 7 grams of protein. So 0 net carbs. That's how we're gonna keep our carbs low. Half a serving, I measured out half a serving of pepperonis. This meat's just about done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put everything in the tortilla. I'll roll that joker up, stick it over here in my air fryer. So what you wanna do, is that's kind of cooking, just take you a little bit of the pizza sauce out of the jar, just add it on to the tortilla to kind of give it that little flavor. All right, there it is. All right, sprinkle, if I can pop it open with the pizza seasoning. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of cheese to the tortilla. See this? See if I can get a little closer here. Let's get you into action. Add a little bit of the cheese in here. Put the pepperonis. So this is half a serving of pepperonis. Now we're gonna add in our beef. So I was gonna do 4 ounces, but when I was measuring it, 5 fell on the scale. So we're going with more protein. Add it on there. There it is. Now you got, that's all there. Let's add a little more cheese to it. Make it in the middle there. I'm gonna sprinkle a little more pizza seasoning on there. The rest of the cheese is gonna go on top, just like that. 1 serving of pizza cheese. There we go. Now we're just gonna roll it up, air fry it, basically just heat it up, toast it a little bit, and melt the cheese on it. Now we're gonna roll this up. It's like a big burrito. Okay. I'll put a little bit of olive oil on top, just to give it a little crispy, just a little bit. Keep all the flavors the same. There we go. Since we have it, let's go ahead and sprinkle a little pizza seasoning on top. There it is, look at that. That already looks good enough right there. Heat it up to melt the cheese. Take our big guy, plop it in there. That's how it's gonna look before. Put it in there for 390, about 5 minutes. We'll see what that looks like. It's all finished. Oh man, check that out. It's like a big old pizza burrito. Look at that. Get it open here. So you can see that I just fell out the back. It's all good. See if you can see that. Look at that. Whoa. All right. See you at the table. All right, so all done. We're looking at about 550 calories, 45 grams of protein. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Big old pizza roll, like a giant hot pocket, just without all the junk they put in there. You know exactly what's in it because you made it. Man, that's good. You got to try this one. And if you don't have the air fryer, you can probably just toast it up on a pan, because that's basically all it. The meat's cooked, everything's cooked. You're basically just heating up the cheese, so just toast it on the pan. The air fryer does give it that crispiness. Yeah, buddy, on the outside. Man, it's good. Gotta try this one out. Really good. Low carb hot pocket. That's what it's all about right there.